I'm packed up and I'm ready to hit the road. Check it out, got my road dog Skittles. Hey, say hi, Skittles. Yeah, buddy, we bugging out. You can tell we're in the North Carolina mountains. Twisties everywhere. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh, I made the wrong turn. Oh, okay.
41 is up there.
Oh, 40. Hi, how you doing?
I was thinking we could park right there in that curve.
Where?
Right there in the curve, right there. Those little sheets that go into the road right there.
It's kind of different from the pictures, I guess. So it's all the 11 acres is the woods.
But you can walk the land and hunt on it. It looks like there's one up there.
Okay, here's a trail. Bug out motor. I didn't bring my motorcycle because I'm only going down for a couple of days. I actually put an offer on a property out there, a mountain property down south. So that's where we're headed. And we'll do a tour of the property. And maybe some other properties along the way. And then I got to get back home. So this is kind of a little short bug out van trip. Headed to the North Carolina mountains, baby. Ha-ha! And for those of you guys who haven't seen the full build series I did on this bug out moto van, go check it out. You can tell we're in the North Carolina mountains. Twisties everywhere. Saw a whole bunch of motorcycle riders. All right, going through the mountain now, baby. Yeah. Okay, I finally made it to the property. Here's the road leading up to it. It's supposed to be kind of rough in a certain area. We'll see. Kind of a shady gravel road here. Up in the mountains. Yeah. Guess this is it here. I hope I don't have no problems in here. Wow. Whoa. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't get stuck, man. Whoa. This is crazy. Did I go the wrong way?
We'll have to pull in here and turn around.
Okay.
You got to go back down to the main road. Turn around and come back.
Okay.
You'll see a sign down there.
Oh, I made the wrong turn. Oh, okay.
And then
Now, how in the hell am I gonna get out of here? Wow, this is crazy, man. Gosh. I don't want to have to pull out the truck claws, man. Oh my gosh. Gotta take it easy, go slow. Oh my gosh. My real estate agent told me, oh, you don't need no four-wheel drive or nothing. Oh my God, I couldn't imagine if you got a heavy rain. There's no way. But this is I went the wrong way. Okay. I'm scared to try another route, man. This is crazy, man. Gosh. Where does this go? Man, how do I get out of here? I gotta get out of here before it gets dark.
Hey, I was just calling. Everything going okay?
I'm lost over here. I went down this wrong turn. I saw where it said Melissa's name, and then I made the left turn there for some reason. And then it was a really rough road.
Yeah, you just kind of stay to the left and go up to the top. There's a road that goes straight that is hugged by the woods. You got to keep going to the left. Do you want me to meet you down at the bottom? Okay. I don't want you to get.
Yeah, I don't want to get stuck.
Pull down to where the where you take that left by the creek right before the campground. I'll meet you down right there.
Hi, how you doing?
I was thinking we could park right there in that curve.
Where?
Right there in the curve, right there. And she did want me to tell you there was another offer that did come in yesterday.
Okay.
But they wanted to wait till you got here to see what you thought.
Oh, okay. Isn't this the road I went?
You went on this road, and then I think you might have went up.
Are you using two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive?
My four-wheel drive's not activated.
Oh, okay.
It's
rough, but not as
It's
not as
bumpy,
bad
but
as that
it's
other
not
one.
like-
Yeah. So where is the bad part? Is it coming up or?
This is it.
Oh, it's not that bad.
I know. There's like a little divot right here, and that's where I was telling you.
Where you
You
were
can see where the runoff is coming right through there.
Oh, okay.
And those little sheets that go into the road right there. And this back here on the hill is what I thought looked, like it could use
Oh,
a
yeah.
retaining wall right there. That's it. Not too bad, huh?
What's that? Yeah, I'd have to. Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of different from the pictures, I guess. Yeah. I thought there would be like more expansive areas. So the property goes back into the
Yeah, it goes
the
back
woods.
and then it follows the creek down for a couple of
Okay.
it does border the U.S. Forest Service, I believe, on that side.
All right. Oh, propane tank in the back. Okay. So really, you can't do anything. Do you know where the trails are? Oh.
I walked around and was looking for him. She tried to explain it to me, but
Uh-huh.
I guess without. It looks like there's one up there.
Oh, okay. Okay, here's a trail. Man, this could probably work with a side-by-side, maybe. I don't know if it's wide enough. Oh, and then it's got crap here. Yeah, that's what really attracted me, was a trail. Because I was also looking for a house with, ATV trail, so.
Yeah, you could trail all up into that property.
Yeah. Was that dog house or something?
Yeah, and then that's the little playhouse with the tower.
Oh,
And
okay.
it looks like there's a trail up behind that too, but
Okay. There's some really dense woods. All right. Oh, okay. It's nice.
it's cute. It's got a big master. And
Is this a faux wall, like a fake?
it's wood, but it's
It's like okay for for style.
like a little accent wall kind of thing. These are the 2 additional bedrooms.
Full bath, 2 bedrooms. Yeah.
And the closets are good size, and the bathroom is a good size. The other closet's a little bit bigger.
All right. Big window. I like the big window like that. It's nice. What is that?
Looks like glue.
Oh,
I don't know.
probably kids spilled
Kid
something. or
put,
something.
what's that new stuff that the slime? God.
Yeah. What is it? Oh, they put little stars up there or something.
Yeah.
First, I thought I was making sure it wasn't water damage. Yeah. All right, nice bathroom. Huh?
Yeah, it's a huge bathroom.
They must have took a border off and just
left it.
Left it. Wow. Okay,
It's got
utility
a really cute
room.
kitchen and a big laundry room. Gas stove, 6 burner.
So the washer and dryer go here, and this is propane.
The hot water heater looks like it is gas. It is, it's propane.
Okay.
And then the stove is on propane.
All right.
And it said the
That's
HVAC has backup propane. I guess if you lost electricity up here, you still would have heat and hot water.
All right. This kind of backs up here, huh? This. The wall comes down. Is there any problems like with when it rains heavy, like it floods, comes down into the house area?
It doesn't look like it does
Yeah.
from the way the grass is and everything.
So they have set like cable or.
There's a Frontier box in here, so I think they've got wireless through Frontier.
All right. Oh yeah, it's a nice little house. Yeah.
Pantry.
It's a bedroom. They left their bed here, huh? Nice 2 full baths. That's nice. Yeah, the house is nice. I mean, just the property is just really different from what I envisioned it. But that's all right. I wanted to come in this area anyhow. I've never been in this area, and I'm still looking for houses in the area.
So tell me, like, you want some more usable acreage? Is that?
Yeah, probably, yeah. But not crazy just cutting grass for acres and acres. I don't mind, you know, the trees around it, but a little more than this, though. This is, yeah, it's hardly any, really. I think I have more yard in at my house now. So it's all the 11 acres is the woods.
But you can walk the land and hunt on it and all.
Yeah, I can see if it rains heavy or snows. I'll probably be snowed in up here. Well, not my Lexus, but my van if I had to get out. And then the street bike. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll keep looking. My ultimate dream is to get an A-frame house with some nice land surrounding it, but you know, you don't come across those too often. They're really nice, but I don't want a what you call a log house because it's too much maintenance as far as, I think like every 3 to 5 years you have to stain it and all that. So
yeah, typically about every 10 if you keep it clean and, you know, pressure washed.
So does it rain here a lot?
This year has been unusually rainy. But
all right, she dropped me off. I didn't realize how small it was, but the property wasn't that great. 11 acres. The 11 acres is all dense forest. You can't really do anything with. I retracted my offer, guys, and that was just really stupid of me. Don't be stupid like me and put in an offer before you see it. Don't go by pictures, man. The pictures made that place look awesome. And it's not what I was looking for at all. I'm gonna go check out Waynesville and Asheville, and then I'm gonna head home. Hey, Skitters! Skitters! I'll be looking at some other properties and I'll do videos on it and share the experience with you. That place was $200,000 for that 11 acres of, which really you couldn't do anything with the 11 acres. It's only like, I think 3/4 of an acre that you have that you can actually use. So if I want to get what I'm looking for, an A-frame house, decent size, maybe 2,000 square feet or 1,800 square feet. I'm not looking for a really big place, but I like to have cathedral ceilings, you know, the A-frame style house with at least probably like maybe 15, 20 acres. Either out in the country, Ohio country, or the mountains out here. I made a cash offer on this property, by the way. You know, I told you guys I live 100% debt free. I'm not rich, but I live really frugal and save and invest. That's how I have what I have, guys. And I made money off real estate in the past. So, but I own everything I have. Just put it that way, though. I'll tell you one thing I like about this area, though, is a lot of twisty roads around here, man. Really nice. Okay, we're in the town of Asheville. Almighty Asheville, North Carolina. Big little city. Oh, this is pretty cool, man. I like this little town. Check it out. Friday night party. Oh, their apartments look different. Check it out.
Yard Avenue. Then turn left.
Look at this. We got some graffiti, man. Asheville's got some flavor. Look at this, man. They graffiti the building. That's ghetto. I know one thing. I gotta go get some gas. Biltmore Avenue. On a Friday night. Check it out. Let's look at this. It's a pretty cool little town. Check it out. This is so different. I guess it's kind of like compares to Denver, maybe Denver, Colorado. Kind of trendy. It's got character. Dog in the cage. I had to put her in the cage because she's all over the place, man. And all it takes is her biting one of these wires and she get electrocuted. So I can't risk that. Got road hypnosis and end up driving till 3 in the morning. This trip did not go as planned. I'll tell you that, guys. It was just going to be a quick little trip down to North Carolina anyhow. I didn't plan. I thought I'd do at least a couple of days, but I'm heading back. But I'm just probably going to eat something here out of my refrigerator. Here, eat something real quick, a little salad here and an apple or something. And washing up at the sink here. Put my bed down here and I'm going to bed, Jack. I tell you guys, these new Battle Horn 100 amp hour lithium batteries I have are absolutely awesome, man. I have my refrigerator running. I have my freezer running here, which I got cold water in there. And this thing is still full, almost full power. Look at that, full power still. That's a lead acid battery. My old lead acid battery that I have here, which I'm gonna end up putting a lithium battery there too. And that thing just runs the lights and it's already dead. It's already been worn out. Those lead acid batteries don't last long, but the lithium is awesome. I have a link to get the lithium batteries, by the way, in the description and comment section of my video for those of you guys who are doing a camper van build. If you want to see the full review I did on this camper van, I have a link to that in the description and comment section of this video as well. Yeah, make sure to turn the vents on. Yeah, skitters. Right now I'm checking to see if there's any channels out here. Okay, you got my bed out, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash up at the sink, wash my face, and do a sponge bath. Of course, put this up here, and I pull this out here, set that up, and that's my faucet. Then, of course, I flip the water pump switch, and I wash up at the sink here, shave, and wash my face and body, and then I'm gonna eat a little something and then hit the sack. See this surveillance, all 4 cameras surrounding the vehicle. See, what's this guy doing here, man? Thank you. See, I can see what's going on here around my van. I'm at a rest stop, by the way. It says September 9, 2016 on here. And that was when I took my last bug out moto van trip, and I forgot to set the new date. Well, that's the only decent channel so far. Some of you guys may be wondering how I go to the bathroom in my van, and I'll put my portable toilet right next to the bed. It fits here even with the bed down, and I'll put a garbage liner on here, put some kitty litter, which I keep kitty litter in this container. And then I'll do my bowel movement, and immediately when I'm done, I'll put some kitty litter over it, and that'll get rid of the smell. But Skittles is not liking me taking a bowel movement here. She's like trying to blow the stink out her nose. I gotta put some kitty litter over my poop. At first though, she don't like that stink. She trying to blow that stink out her nose. Yeah! This was just a little mini bug out van trip. I'll be going on some more, checking out some other properties or whatnot. Let me fold the TV, put it back, and we'll go ahead and put the bed up. Yeah, I got all this space here. I could actually work and live out of this van. Let me get out of here. Headed on the road, headed back home. I have to prepare for my next bug out moto van trip. Next time I'll take my motorcycle, and I don't know where I'll go next, but I want to go look at some other properties. West Virginia, baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel over at youtube.com/cyclecruiser, and also like me at Facebook. Catch you guys later.